Mixed veg pakora. Very tasty, similar to onion pakora but with lots of vegetables. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. If you love pakora, then it's a must try. So let's go ahead and start making mixed veg pakora. Mixed veg pakora can be prepared with lots of vegetables or a few. Here I got cauliflower, eggplant, potato and zucchini. And everything cut it into a small size and similar size. And we just need very little of vegetables. I got 2 florets of cauliflower, cut it into a small size, around 1 inch of eggplant, around 2 inch of zucchini and 1 medium size of potato, peeled and cut it into small size. Also I got 2 handful of baby spinach leaf and 2 medium size of red onion, or you can use white onion. So I just washed the baby spinach leaf and roughly chopped it, and now we are going to put everything together in a big bowl. Vegetables you can choose according to what you have available. You can add broccoli, you can add a little bit of carrot, but I would avoid adding bell pepper or capsicum. Along with that, here I am adding half an inch of ginger finely chopped, 2 to 3 garlic finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped, which is completely optional, and a little bit of coriander leaves finely chopped. So mix everything well, and then we are going to add our besan or gram flour. There is no exact measurement of the ingredients added here because it all depends upon what kind of vegetables you are using and the kind of quantity. But I must say that the vegetables here I am using is very little of all the vegetables, but together it combines a lot. So this much of preparation will give me at least 35 to 40 pakoras depending on the size. So here I've added around 1 cup of besan, and into goes salt according to taste. I'm adding around 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and the other spices is again up to you, what you have available, how spicy you want, like coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder. I'm also adding here 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seed and 1/4 teaspoon of mangrela or black seed or nigella seed. And now we are going to combine everything together. Dry. We are not going to add any water now. Since we have added salt, so salt is going to combine with the vegetables and vegetables will release moisture. So combine everything dry and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see the vegetables are little soft now, and now I will start mixing again, and I will add on little water and keep on mixing. We need to make a tight paste with the help of water. So add very little water at times and keep on mixing. Vegetables are combining well, but I can feel that it needs more besan as the vegetables are more. So here I'm adding around half a cup of besan more, and again we are going to keep on adding water and come to a consistency which we require. Our mixture is looking good, it's nice and tight, and now we are going to add our final ingredient, which is rice flour, which really helps the pakora to keep it crisp for longer. If you have it, please use it. Otherwise also your pakora will turn out nice. As long as your batter is thick and not runny, your pakora will come out nice and crisp. So just going to give it a mix, and now our mixture is ready to fry. For frying, you need good amount of oil into your pan, and to check the temperature of the oil, add little bit of mixture into the oil, and if the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom and it immediately comes up, that means your oil is in the right temperature to fry. And this is also a nice way to taste your mixture, whether you need to add salt or chili powder. And now your oil is ready to fry, and this is my preferred way of putting the mixture into the pan, which is safe. So just make sure that you are adding little mixture into the pan, and according to the size of your pan you can add the pakoras. Fry your pakora on a medium flame and keep turning them around after every 2 to 3 minutes. It roughly takes around 7 to 8 minutes or 8 to 9 minutes for one batch of pakora to be ready. It also depends on the quantity of pakora and the size of pan. So roughly 8 to 9 minutes it will take for one batch of pakora. And once you see the pakoras are nice and golden, then it's time to get it out. So I hope you're going to give it a try. It's a really nice pakora recipe. Give it a try and share your feedback with us. Thank you for watching.